In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and set up your own watch lists in the Saxo Trader Go platform to give fast, easy access to the instruments you frequently monitor and trade. On the desktop and tablet, the watch list is located in the left pane of the Saxo Trader Go platform. Selecting different watch lists is done from the selector in the top left corner. The My Watch List section of the selector contains your own custom watch lists and will already contain default watch lists for each product you select and for the trading region you selected when you first entered the platform. I can also add additional watch lists and customize these predefined watch lists at any time. Standard watch lists give access to predefined watch lists that you can also copy and customize with your own instruments and columns. It's also easy to take another standard watch list and customize it to make it your own. For example, if I'm interested in German CFDs, I would select CFDs by region, then CFDs Germany from the watch list selector. If I now click Edit, I can copy to my watch lists to make a custom copy under My Watch Lists for easy access. I can give it a unique name. And I can add instruments by clicking the Add Instrument button. Just enter a few letters of the instrument's name or symbol. I want to add something such as DAX or Germany 30, so if I just enter DAX, you'll see the Germany 30 CFD, which tracks the DAX 30 at the top of the list here. I can also remove instruments I'm not interested in by clicking the Delete icon here next to the Product icon. And when I'm finished adding and removing instruments, I just click Done to finish editing the list. My German CFDs list is now quickly available from the watch list selector. If I want to, I can also start with a completely blank watch list by selecting New List from the watch list selector and adding and removing instruments in the same way. Watch lists can display instruments in a number of different modes depending on your preferences, which I can choose selecting Layout when in Edit mode. For instance, a trade board if you're monitoring a limited list of instruments or want to trade them very quickly. The double row list mode gives access to more information in a limited screen size. The single row list mode allows you to show more instruments in the list at the cost of showing less information. In layout mode, I can customize the information shown. The columns shown are the columns currently included in my watch list, and I can drag columns into or the columns shown using these drag handles. I can also reorder the columns and remove columns by dragging them down into the available columns section. Note that in double row mode, columns are in pairs with information on the first and second lines. Finally, a quick way to add all instruments to the open watch list. Select the instrument using the global search at the top of the platform. This opens the overview panel for the selection. Click on the Favorites icon to add it to the top of the open watch list. Custom watch lists are now quickly available from the watch list selector and are also available on my smartphone and tablet.